10,000 discarded cans begin an unbelievable transformation back to life. What once looked like worthless scrap will soon become a racing engine block. Giant excavator claws tear into the aluminum pile with raw, industrial force. The metal waste crashes into the hopper, starting the transformation process. Thousands of cans tumble downward toward the crushing steel machinery below. The shredder roars violently, tearing aluminum apart in slow motion. Sharp steel blades destroy every can completely, leaving only silver fragments behind. Heavy vibrations shake the factory floor as the machines consume endless scrap. A shimmering river of shredded aluminum begins flowing from the system. The conveyor carries the fragments forward toward the purification stage. From above, the scale of the operation looks absolutely massive. High-pressure water jets blast away dirt, paint, and soda residue. Even the water is recycled here, showing the efficiency of modern industry. Moisture must be removed completely before the aluminum reaches the furnace. Industrial drying fans create a storm of silver flakes inside the chamber. Thick steam rises upward as the heated aluminum emerges completely dry. What was once dirty waste is now purified silver ready for melting. The furnace doors open slowly, revealing a world of blazing heat. The air ripples violently at temperatures beyond 600 degrees. Purified aluminum flakes disappear instantly into the glowing furnace. Every fragment melts immediately, merging into a pool of liquid metal. The molten aluminum swirls like a silver vortex inside the furnace. Skilled technicians remove impurities carefully from the glowing surface. The liquid aluminum shines like mercury beneath the harsh factory lights. The giant furnace tilts forward slowly, preparing for the massive pour. Molten aluminum flows outward, glowing like liquid fire across the room. The transport ladle fills steadily, carrying the energy of 10,000 cans. Automated systems take control, moving the molten metal toward the molds. The final drops fall, moments before extreme pressure takes over. A colossal die casting machine closes shut with unstoppable force. Massive steel molds lock together tightly, sealing the casting chamber. Hydraulic systems pulse with power, building pressure inside the machine. Gauges spike dramatically, reaching thousands of tons of force. The injection piston fires forward instantly, forcing metal into every cavity. Escaping air hisses loudly as molten aluminum fills the mold completely. Advanced computers monitor every second, balancing pressure and temperature perfectly. Internal cooling systems activate immediately, freezing the metal into shape. Vapor curls around the machinery, creating an intense industrial atmosphere. Giant cylinders maintain crushing pressure until solidification is complete. Seconds feel endless as the metal transforms deep inside the mold. The machine finally opens slowly, revealing the newly formed engine block. Steam explodes outward violently as the hot metal meets cool air. The racing engine block stands complete, glowing with residual heat. Cooling fins and cylinder walls appear, with astonishing precision and detail. A robotic arm reaches inward carefully, securing the hot engine block. The true complexity of the design becomes visible as it lifts away. The engine block moves toward the cooling tank for thermal stabilization. Hot aluminum crashes into water violently, creating a massive eruption of steam. The glowing orange fades away slowly, replaced by solid silver aluminum. Now the cutting process begins, using a high-speed diamond saw. The blade screams through metal, sending sparks across the workshop. Rows of engine blocks move forward proudly through the factory line. We enter the CNC machining zone, where precision reaches microscopic levels. Milling tools carve the surface carefully, shaping the final dimensions. Silver metal chips fly everywhere, like metallic snow in the air. The cylinders are polished smooth, creating a near-perfect mirror finish. Tool changers move instantly, drilling and shaping every detail automatically. Human craftsmanship returns during the final polishing stage. Buffing wheels transform rough metal into a brilliant reflective surface. Light dances beautifully across the aluminum, revealing a flawless shine. One final wipe reveals the masterpiece, hidden inside recycled scrap. The finished engine block glows proudly beneath the factory lights. The difference between scrap and perfection is engineering and precision. One small soda can remains beside the engine, reminding us where it began. This is mechanical art at its highest level, born entirely from recycled aluminum.